3.5 hours. So we were definitely out there for a while. And that's when I started feeling like crap with this nose and throat. I think it was already there, but that's kind of like kicked it off. But I mean, I've been feeling like crap since then. It's starting to feel a little better. Last night I finally got a decent night's sleep. Not the best, but decent. Night before wasn't too bad, but yeah, and then you know, you don't get a good night's sleep. You kind of just don't want to get up when you finally get to sleep, if you know what I mean. I don't want to put the same size back on there. I don't even know if you guys see what I'm doing. Yeah, you guess I get it. Yeah, you can see somewhat. Basically, I'm just putting a new crimp on here so I can get it on the switch that I have. I don't care about the light, so I'm not going to worry about that. I'll just leave that alone. Oh, you know what I did? What a fool. That was dumb. I stripped the red wire when it was the white wire I need to strip. Dum 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 dum. Dum 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 dum. So let's try this again. How many of these I got over there? A few hundred. And I pick one that's got something blocking the hole. Okay, let's try this again. There we go. Okay. Known it. Should have known right off the bat. Once I clean that one, they're going to have time. Should have known, not even going to think about it. Just get another one. Should have known. Try this again. I am not going to deal with you guys today like this. You're going to either work. You know, I noticed that this camera here, the Canon, the 4Ti, excuse me, has a an issue. It's actually my problem, I guess. It shuts off by itself after a while. Yeah. I can understand it if it wasn't sensing motion, but I mean it's sensing me walking around, so it should be okay. Maybe I gotta check that setting to see. Good. Alright, so now we'll push you down inside. We don't need you. Now we'll push you over here because you should fit on this one. This is a smaller one. There. Okay. Now let's see, because I don't know if it's on or off right now, or if it's going to work or not. Well, apparently it's not going to work. Well, that was a fine how do you do. Well, you know what this is telling me? It's telling me I'm done dealing with you for now. Because I am not going to go nuts and start pulling you apart. Yeah, maybe I will. I'm sorry guys, I just can't leave something here like that. First things first. Yeah, right. Let's try that again.
Listening 6-1. WA1RHG, KQ1UH. Good afternoon, Ron. You out for battle?
Yeah, Duke was fooling around with his
a demo.
new hose that he has. I was actually talking about that the other day when I was saying how Rusty Glove had hooked one up not too long ago. Well, quite a while ago actually.
Oh, roger that.
And how I was thinking about it myself, but well, for me, it probably would be a good idea.
I think I have it right.
Because
amateur. Well, I do a little bit better with the amateur.
you know, I take this hose over here on the floor, which is all the way down, it's off to the side. I never tripped on it. And I drag it out the door if I need it. Where if I had it hanging, I'd have to have it pulling across the top. So for me, it wouldn't work. But anyway, for Rusty and Duke, apparently it's working fine. But I noticed that Duke was using PVC pipe for air. So Duke, if you're listening, that's kind of dangerous, guy.
Yeah, I'll do it probably with...
I'm sure you've been doing it for a long time, but...
too long of a video. I'm not sure if I'm limited or...
something you may want to think about
So I'll close it
down
down
the line.
and post it in a while. Anyways, I'll talk to everybody a little later. Alex and Joe, keep the conversation flowing. And again, everything is not correct. It's all acoustically coupled to the audio. So I have to get back someday to get all my audio.
I remember right, this was a metric. I gotta turn that radio down. These guys are worse than old ladies. Nothing against you guys.
Okay, Ron. We're headed for our family trip.
Allen key.
Hold on a second.
I think it was this one. Guess I was wrong. Okay. It's smaller than that one? Yeah, small. Okay. Maybe? Yeah, okay. I mean, I've seen a lot of people use PVC pipe for air fittings. It's not that it's unheard of. It's easier to work with, you know, and stuff like that. And they get along fine with them. They never have any problems. But I've also seen a lot of them blow up. And luckily nobody gets hurt. But if you were standing next to it, you would have. Because it takes a lot of the pipe with it. It starts to shatter it all over the place. It doesn't just blow a hole in it. So like I say, I'm not trying to scare anybody into doing anything. I'm not saying it's right or wrong. I'm just saying I noticed it. Okay, now this should come off. All right. Told you I wasn't going to do this, didn't I? You remember me saying that a few minutes ago? If that didn't work, I wasn't going to deal with it. And what am I doing? Screwing around with it. Jesus. You gotta be Chinese or Japanese to get these things done. Man, how do you get in there with those little fingers? I mean, Can I just break it off maybe? They put a little wire tie down in there, but I can't. There we go. See, I can't get to the damn thing. There. Okay. Done, 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 done. Done, 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 done. Now, white and black are usually the two that's used. The red would normally, I can't say for sure, but I'm going to say normally the red would be the light. I would think anyway. I don't know if I want to put this on there in case I need it. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to pull these wires down out the bottom so I don't have them so close. There. This way when I plug it in I have a little separation here. And if I have to lengthen the wires I can. Alright. Now. We don't want to take a chance of the wire shorting out on the frame. So I need of this, and I need of this. And we're just going to start making sparks. Alright, let's plug this puppy in. Whoa, here we go. Well, normally I thought let me unplug it a minute. I gotta take that one wire, strip it. Normally I was thinking the white and the black. You know, 110 volts, that which you would normally think. Alright, so we have 3 bare connections there. So when I put them together, I should get spark and start. I thought these two were going to do it, but apparently not. So apparently they're using red, but are they using the red with the black or red with the white? Well, I guess it's not going to hurt to find out. Well, ain't that one. Or maybe it was that one. Nope. Well, little fuse. Luckily I have hundreds more. Guess I'll just have to get the voltmeter out. That would be the safe way of doing it. Once I determine what size fuse it is here that I blew. I'm telling you, I'm still saying it's the red and black and white. Okay, 3 amp, 220. Good thing I got new glasses, huh? This one will probably work. The other ones I have are too large. This is a 4 amp. I mean, it's not a big deal. But I don't want to start putting 20 amps in there, or 10 amps. Too slow. There we go. Ta-da! Let's unplug this thing first. Good idea. What do you think? I think it's a good idea. Now it's a better idea if I can find the fuse that I was just looking for. Oh, there it is. I mean, it's only 110, but the way my heart's been acting lately, don't want to take a chance of spiking it with 110 volts. Besides, it's the amps that'll kill you. Alright, so let's plug this puppy back in and get the meter out. I still say it should be the white and the black. But it looks like it's red. According to the board, it looks, yeah. And the other wire is only for the light. And the red is the plus side coming from the motor. Let's get the meter. I'm just used to looking at things and trying to figure them out before I start using a meter. I don't know. I keep my hand out of the way naturally, but AC. Okay. Now they're saying the red coming from here into the motor is the power. Well, that's showing me over here the white, but we're not getting anything between white and black. We are getting something though between white and red. That's what it is, white and red. So what the hell are they using the black for? The black, they're using that for the light? That means it's got to be low voltage. Yeah. Alright, so let me unplug it again. And they're saying if I put these two together, the motor should run when I plug it in. Settle down, my friend. Alright, let's see now. We're going to blow a fuse or it's going to run. Alright. Now that I got this open, I wonder if I should put a remote switch on it, wireless. or tap a plug so I have a plug to come off of. Why would I need a plug on the back of this though? Anybody see any reasons why I would need a plug on the back of this? Got room. I've got the room. Nah, I'm just making more work for myself, so I'm not going to bother. Alright, so let's take this off. Ta-da! This one stays. I need a blue wire for that. A blue plug. I say I need a blue. I need a cover. Crimp it on this side first, and then I'll flip the plier, move down just a hair, and crimp it again. There, that gives me a nice zigzag crimp. So now, this one, I'm just going to stick the wire in there like that, put a crimp on it. I'm not even going to strip it down, because I don't plan on I was going to say I don't plan on putting a light on the switch, but it doesn't mean I can't put a light in the unit. Nah. Let's just crimp that on there. I mean, you can start to see how I make more work for myself because I start adding things on, as you can see. And the next thing you know, I've used up a whole day doing absolutely nothing.
Medic 1, Rescue 2, response, Priority 1, medical.
Priority 1.
Priority 1, Unit 1, 82 Street, Unit 325 to the Chesapeake.
Alright. Alright. My hair's a mess, guys. I gotta get it cut. Really. I mean, it doesn't even want to do what I want it to do anymore. And I'm not going to be able to hold on. What I was thinking of doing was letting it grow and then donate it. But I don't think I can let it grow. I couldn't deal with it for that long, I don't think. It's got to be 6 inches, I believe, in order for them to be able to use it. What they use it for is patients that lost their hair from chemo and things. They make wigs out of it.